Now, please listen to this strange noise coming or that can be heard from the background. So, want to hit the gas?